Hi, I'm Chris Meehan, one of the program directors at Team4Tech. In South Africa, fewer than 6% of young people go on to graduate from university. Compounding this, the country has one of the most unequal school systems in the world. It is still not fully recovered from the Bantu Education Law, which was designed to disenfranchise the country's majority black population from the economy. Leap Science and Math schools provide a high-quality, STEM-based education in underserved townships around South Africa. Team4Tech has partnered with Leap Schools since 2014 and has provided more than $1.6 million worth of support and technology grants to empower Leap teachers and students with digital literacy skills, to enhance their math curriculum, and to launch coding and robotics programs. Leap has become a model school and is sharing their learnings on education technology with the South African Ministry of Education.
Alexandra is a small community with people from different parts of Africa. There are so many people living in Alexandra. It's normal in Alex to find a whole family of 12 people living in one room, sharing that room. And then there's also like lack of schools in Alexandra. You'll find 50 to 60 learners in one small classroom.
A lot of the youth, they're not at school. Some because they've dropped out because of drugs and pregnancy, and some because they've finished to grade 12, but there's no opportunity for them to continue to varsity. Then they're just in the township.
Leap is a very different school from the schools in Alex and every other school. At Leap, they are concerned about the well-being, how our weekend was. So it's not just only like reading and studying. It's also different in the sense that everyone uses technology today. It kind of like grooms you to be a leader or whatever you want to be.
Our computer lab, when I got here, most of them were not working. When Team4Tech came, they fixed the ones that were not working. So it is now fully functioning. More teachers are also taking interest in different ways of using technology to help learners learn better.
They've trained our teachers on how to use technology to teach in class. If you look at our curriculum, we sort of trying to introduce them to robotics and coding. I've sort of thought of it and I said, I think our students will be great at it. We actually had to take it to our partner Team4Tech because we couldn't fund it. They actually came back to us and said, if there's something that you want to do in our schools, we can actually enable it for you. And our students are actually going to be competing at the robotics project. We don't want our students to be left behind in the 21st century. If they enjoy doing coding, if they enjoy doing robotics, obviously it's going to create that thinking where they want to be engineers and obviously creating a career path for themselves.
What I've learned about technology and how to use it is going to help me a lot in university. Now I know how to use a computer, how to use the internet. So I think Leap, in a way, unlocked my mind.
The fact that our students, when they graduated from the Leap School, they don't want to move out of Alexandra. As much as it is a chaotic and messy place, it is also something that they take pride in. So I know it's not going to be as it is forever.
My dreams for the future is to have big businesses, preferably technological businesses, which can hire people, give them job opportunities. I think that is my way of saying thank you to the community that raised me.
Hello, my name is John Gilmore, and I would like on this very special occasion to share with you something of a celebration of a partnership which is global between ourselves, the Leap Science and Math Schools, and Team4Tech. We really are grateful for the work that has been done over many years through Team4Tech, introducing us to many partners such as Pure Storage and Cadence and others, VMware, and the revolutionary impact that that's had on our teaching and learning in our 6 schools in South Africa. We serve the underserved. We work with the poorest children in our country, and our country has the greatest divide, economic divide in the world. In the same way, the digital divide is a wide chasm. And so when the lockdown started with COVID, it was a huge challenge for us. We were able to do a quick step change with the support and the direct guidance of Team4Tech and Cadence as a partner in 2020. And again, we continue to work on that in 2021. We are very grateful. We feel empowered and enabled through this process of many years of engagement with Team4Tech and the various partners that are in this room. Thank you for your support of Team4Tech, and thank you, Team4Tech, for your incredible support and advice and ongoing direct engagement with us. We have to really turn this world back on its feet. It's upside down as it is right now, and we can only do that through collaboration. And the impact that we're having as the Leap Science and Maths School, enabling over 75% of our children to go to university from communities where generally only 5% go, is in no small way a tribute to the partnership and to the specific work of Team4Tech. Siyabonga, we are very grateful, and we encourage everyone in this room to continue to support Team4Tech and do whatever you can to increase that support. Thank you.